OMG, I'm so bored. Even though Toonz already made his new video. Even though I need to do something, even though I have a video coming up this Thursday on September 19th. Although I am glad Toonz liked my compilations that made him smile. Yeah. I'll put these videos in the descriptions, but I need to do something so he understands. And I'm glad he understands, but I need to think of an idea. That's it. I make my own playlist. There we go. The playlist about the compilations that might make Toonz in-game animations happy. So follow around and remember this Thursday on September 19th, 2024, it will make you laugh and smile, Toonz. Hopefully it will help. Oh, and I love you, by the way. Love you as a friend. One more thing. I'm actually in the Airbnb. I'm not in my hometown. Everywhere.